kasama mo from QC to Alabang na talaga namang iyon. Honey, libangan, DJ Caliban! Magandang morning mga ka-hotness! This is DJ Caliban and you're listening to the most influential station, 96.1 Hot FM. And once again, we're here on Team Gossip. We've heard Catherine Bernardo's top travel destinations earlier with DJ Pao. Now, it's time for us to make chika with Julia Barreto about her top picks of her most favorite desserts. Mouth-watering.
Hello there, good morning to all listeners.
Good morning, hi Julia, how are you?
I'm good, I'm glad I'm here.
Okay, let's get this started, Julia. What are your top 3 favorite desserts? Yung tipong magka-crave ka talaga.
Third spot would be cakes. I love the colorful styles of cakes, lalo na yung sa mga birthdays.
Also, kumbaga more than the taste, you also love the presentation or the looks of the food.
Exactly, nakaka-boost din siya ng appetite eh.
I see, ako nga din naman. So what would be your second favorite dessert?
Fruit salad.
Oh, interesting. Why fruit salad?
Kasi I love fruits. Variety of taste din kasi and I love the sweetness.
So, mahilig din sa sweets din si Miss Julia. So, finally, Miss Julia, your top 1 favorite dessert is...
Siyempre naman, ice cream!
Wow, ice cream! Lahat naman ata tayo nasa top list ang ice cream.
Exactly! As in, kapag stress ako at pagpagod sa work, sobra din talaga yung cravings ko sa ice cream.
Nakakagutom naman itong pinag-uusapan natin, Julia. So, yun, that's it mga listeners. Thank you, Julia, for sharing your favorite dessert sa amin.
Thank you po, thank you.
So, for sure, napaisip din kayo mga ka-hotness kung ano yung inyong top desserts. At siguradong nag-crave din kayo, diba? So, that's it for today para sa top picks here on Team Gossip with Julia Barreto. Again, this is your DJ Caliban, ang DJ na yung inaabang-abangan. Station for hot music, dito sa 96.1 Hot FM, hati ng radyo to. Have a great day, everyone!